Hey guys, welcome to Optimization by Oliver, episode number 77. In this video, I'm going to take on Lululemon. These guys are giants in the online and offline space, but I think there's some criminal things they're doing on their website. Especially stick around for number 3, because I think what they're doing on their product page is just ridiculous. And I'm going to show you what I would do if I was in charge of generating them more revenue per visitor. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so for some context, I'm Oliver Kenyon. I'm co-founder of ConversionWise, and I've been in the online CRO and landing page space for the past 12 years. I run a large conversion rate optimization agency, and I'm going to show you what I would do if I was in charge of maximizing revenue and turning more clicks into customers for Lululemon. We're going to start on their cart slider or cart drawer. And these are the things I would be changing. First and foremost, they're not taking advantage of a free shipping threshold. I would be adding that straight away and gamifying it within the cart. Number 2, just below that, I would be adding this goes well with section, but I'd be adding these clear plus signs so people have a massive visual on how they actually add it to their cart. And number 3, I would be putting that all important call to action fixed to the bottom of the screen as opposed to in the middle of the screen. It's where your thumb naturally is, it's consistent with the product page, and I'd be supporting it with these payment seals. Moving on to the homepage, we can look at 1 and 2 together. It's the navigation. We would add this nice announcement bar. It just gives you a really nice visual way to draw attention to any promotions or anything that you guys are running. Number 2, I would compact that notice bar. I would get rid of this massive big search bar that's not needed to be expanded and pushes everything further down the fold. And then number 3, I think these guys could benefit from some social proof. Let's show off how many people have reviewed us and how popular our products are. Number 4, I'd add a visual headline that's capturing attention, clearly showing off our benefits and value proposition. And I support it with number 5, a clear call to action. As you can see on their previous design, the call to action's a little bit wishy-washy. It's small, it's white on a light background, it doesn't draw attention. Let's choose a full width button on mobile, send people straight to the shop bestsellers now, and it really stands out and demands to be clear. Moving on to the product page, and this is where I think these guys are committing CRO sins. It's actually disgusting me. And I'll explain exactly why. So if you see number 1, what we've done is we've condensed all this white space. We pulled everything up. We put image at the top. We put the normal notice on there, and we've got rid of these breadcrumbs. We've got rid of this huge search bar. Why would someone need to search when they're already on the product page itself? So we've killed all this, and it naturally brings everything else above the fold. All of the things I've just mentioned are just things I would never ever test on CRO when it comes to that big search bar, the breadcrumbs, all this white space. Get rid of it. Number 2, we've used product thumbnails below the product slider. It's better usability. People can clearly see there's more images, therefore they can click through them easier. Number 3, that all-important social proof. These guys don't have any social proof on their page, so we've showed off that they are rated and have some really good reviews. 4, we've then been able to actually get the product variants above the fold using these attractive product images within these little circles. And then just by doing these optimizations, we move on to number 5. We've been able to pull up the size select and the all-important call to action above the fold. And this is just going to make these guys so much more money. If you're interested in making more money for your e-com brand, get in touch with us at ConversionWise.com. Click the link below the video. Make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Optimization by Oliver.